Good morning, lovies. So it's Friday. I am desperately going to try to get this video out for you guys today before I leave for the Bloom conference. I know yesterday's video was kind of short. Today's video will probably be kind of short, but I'm drinking my coffee, my protein coffee, and my husband's drinking his coffee. Remember I told you yesterday he's off for these 2 days because of a Jewish holiday, and we're gonna go into the woods. The title of today's video, we're finally gonna make it into the woods. It's dried out enough. I don't think my grandmother needs any help today. We're gonna go. I have a video out that I posted, I don't know, like 2 weeks ago. I'm still getting comments on that video, and it's where I addressed hate comments and I made chili. And so many of you were like, just don't worry about the hate, just move on, da-da-da-da-da-da. And I totally get it, and I totally agree. I usually don't address hate. Every once in a blue moon, I will clap back because it's a little outrageous, but for the most part, I just completely ignore them. But recently, I've been getting a huge influx of hate comments, if you will, about my dog. Yes, my dog. So I thought I would address this. If you're not an OG, which just means who's been subscribed to me for a length of time, then maybe you don't truly understand how well my dog is cared for. And that there's probably, I don't know, hundreds, I would say, videos on my channel of me taking my dog for hikes, visiting places, him in the snow, buying booties for him. So when we hike in the snow, his little feetsies won't get cold and all this stuff. I get so many comments. I'm going to post just one of them on my Instagram so you guys can kind of see what I mean. About I shouldn't have a dog. I live in an apartment. It's cruel. I never walk my dog. My poor dog doesn't get out at all to relieve himself. My house must smell because he must pee and poop all over my house because I couldn't possibly take out my dog because I'm fat or whatever it is that they think that I don't take out my dog. I remember just posting a video like, I don't know, 2 weeks ago where you guys watched me from the window while he was outside having the zoomies in the front yard, relieving himself. It is absolutely ridiculous that people see, like for instance, yesterday's video was a lot because I showed a little clip of him staring at me because he wanted my husband's egg sandwiches. And everybody's just, oh my God, that dog is so abused. The whole thing, the same thing. It's amazing to me that yesterday's video, I think, was 15 minutes long, that people see a 15-minute clip of an entire day of someone's whole life and make a judgment and assumptions that their dogs aren't taken out, they're not cared for, they're not walked, they're not fed, that they pee and poop all over your house. Like, people do better than this. Like, I thought we were adults. Like, I thought we were adults. When, like, I feel like I'm dealing with adult children. Like, and whatever happened to it, like, if you're my age or older, I know that you were taught, if you have nothing nice to say, don't say it at all. Do you know what I mean? Like, how dare you make assumptions when I share 15 minutes out of just an entire day with you? You have no idea how many times my dog went out that day. I don't feel like good content to share with you is me bending over, hooking up my dog to his flex leash, walking him down the steps, and taking him outside so he could take a dump. But if you want to see my dog poop in the grass, I will show you. I don't think that's great content. I don't think that's something that you guys would necessarily want to see. But if I have to show you my dog relieving himself every time I take him out to go to the bathroom to prove that my dog uses the bathroom outside and not in my house, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous that people make these assumptions because they're not shown the dog pooping outside. Or I wouldn't even think in my right mind to film something like that. Oh wait, my dog's pooping. Let me hurry up and get my camera. And I know you all know he's well fed because every time I'm on this camera, he's eating and drinking. Anyways, I'm not going to make this real long. I just had to come on here because it was really getting under my skin. I'm usually not too bothered by hate comments, and I know it comes with the territory and all that stuff. And I laugh, but this is getting a little ridiculous. And I love involving my dog in my videos because he's part of my family. He's on my little thumbnail and everything when you first come into my channel because our two dogs are like, that's our family. So I love sharing things, and he's adorable and he's so cute. And he does funny, stupid little stuff that I just find adorable and want to share with you. People just assume that because I'm fat, I don't take my dog out. And I just let him poop and pee all over the house and whatever they assume, whatever. So today, you're going to see him in the car with us. I'm going to take him in the woods with me. And I might even add a pooping scene just to this video. Just so you know, he poops outside and not in the house. But for those who have normal brains and would know, just because the type of person I am, that my dog is well cared for, taken every year to get trimmed and bathed, and I'm not even going to go into this. But if this continues, I might not start showing him either because this is ridiculous. Like this really bothers me. It's terrible for somebody to just assume because of the way you look, just because I'm plus size, I'm not capable of taking care of a dog and shouldn't have one. It's ridiculous. That's all I'm gonna say. But anyways, that's my wonderful intro to the beginning of this video. And for those of you who treat me with respect, I love you. And that's why you're my tribe. I'll be seeing ya in the woods.
All right, sit down where you're supposed to. You know better.
Into the woods we go. Look at that. I told you it was dense. This is what it's called. See, it opens up. It's really pretty in there. I'm excited. I love that color. See that color of moss? That's beautiful. Ooh, it opens up to the water. Ooh, pretty. Ah, so pretty. What are you doing? Favorite place. Oh, my face. Oh, when I'm in nature, like I really see how bad my face can be sometimes. We're in my favorite place. And the little mushrooms. So the trail's blocked. So the trail's blocked. This tree wasn't here the last time we came through. I don't know what to do now. This is a big one. Holy crap, look at that. These storms from the hurricane must have dropped this. Man, can you imagine the sound this must have made falling? This is a huge tree. tree is massive. Look at that. Well, okay. What did you mean to get, boy? Love it. That's a postcard. It's your pee. Well, you gotta move up a little more. More. Right there. If that's not a typical dog thing, I don't know what is.
Come on, let's go walk, Dozer.
My dog is the one that usually starts the trouble. She does.
You come through the gate?
I think that's...
Yeah, that's him. There must be another entrance down there that you can
Maybe.
get.
Or maybe
I don't
they
know.
walked down there.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. We'll just circle again.
Because there was so many fallen trees and the big one right in the middle of the trail, we decided to walk back and come to a different park that's where we're at right now. And this park has a huge dog park. So we're gonna let Dozer play in the dog park and do his thing with other doggies. Then we're gonna go pick up our groceries and go home. But I'm sorry, I wanted to show you a lot more in that trail in the woods. As you can see, like, it was really dense. And right around that corner where that fallen log, it wasn't a log, that was a tree. That was a massive tree. Right around the corner from there, someone had built like this, it looked like a boardwalk in the trail because there was like water on both sides and it was really muddy and stuff. I got as much footage as I could. It was a little hard because there was a lot of damage. There was a lot of trees down, big ones, little ones. I'm imagining that was from the hurricane that came, that came through. That's the like little damage we had in there. But yeah, so we just came to another park. We're gonna let Dozer do his thing. This is the park where I always see deer, so maybe we'll see a deer. We'll get lucky and see a deer before we leave. And we're gonna go pick up our groceries, and I'm gonna call it a vlog. It's just a simple one with a little bit of a rant. But I love you guys, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna be pretty busy over the weekend with the Bloom conference, so I probably won't be back to filming till Monday. So, because I usually film a whole bunch of content over the weekend for my Monday vlog, but I'm gonna be a little like behind with this conference. So that's why you got 2 shorter videos for Thursday and Friday. But I hope that you enjoyed them. They're just my life. Just living that ordinary, simple life, doing ordinary, simple things, but seeing the beauty in it and being content and just spending time with my husband and my dog is just like, it's so simple, but it's so beautiful. Do you know what I mean? We'll probably leave here and get a little bite and share it with Dozer and, just have fun with the windows down, music on, the 3 of us in the car. It's just beautiful. It's just, those are the moments that make life sweet. They're simple, they don't cost anything. They're just simple and sweet, and I live for that. And it's absolutely beautiful. It is October 4th. I think today's the 4th. 3rd or 4th, I don't remember. And it feels like summer. It's like 85 degrees out and it is hot and I am baking in this sun, and I'm probably gonna have to go get in the car because the sun makes my face even worse. The sun makes my face so bad. So I'm probably gonna have to go get in the car. But I can't believe how hot it is. And it's like October 3rd. I think it's 4th. I think it's the 4th. It's unbelievably how hot it is. But it's an absolutely beautiful day though. So, and I live for moments like this. This is what makes life sweet. Being a homebody, good book, good, making something yummy for your family. Just spending time doing things together that doesn't cost anything. Those are the things that make life beautiful, in my opinion. So I'm gonna add a little montage here down after I get done talking here for the haters. This is for the haters that think I'm just awful and abuse my dog, and he's never walked and never cared for, never goes anywhere, never does anything. So I just have like a little clip for the haters because I'm about sick of them. I'm just tired of them, and I'm coming into my era where I'm just like, I'm tired. Like, I've been quiet my whole life. I think that's one of the reasons why I'm fat, is because I have been bullied my whole life for one thing or another, and instead of really saying what I've always really wanted to say or what I felt, I stuffed it. Literally, I stuffed it. Like I stuffed it down my throat, because I was always taught, if you have nothing nice to say, don't say anything at all. And it would eat at me, literally eat at me, and I would eat because I really wanted to say what I wanted to say. And I'm just at a point in my life a little bit here. I'm in this new era where I'm like, you know what, I'm tired of being quiet. I'm tired of people passing judgment when they really don't know. And I am really tired of people just having assumptions about people who are plus size, that we don't do anything, we're lazy, we just lay around on the couch all day and eat buckets and buckets and buckets of Kentucky Fried Chicken. Like, I'm just so tired of it. That's not my life at all. And my life is full of beautiful, wonderful moments where in my home and outside of my home, and my family, including my dog, is well taken care of and has many adventures. And this little montage is just for you. I love you, but Jesus loves you so much more. Bye, love you.